heard something.
Robot?
I think it is. Go investigate. You have your armor. You have your headband. You have your gear oiler. And you have your tools. Go find that robot. Power him down and adjust him to be in nice mode. You have to do it to save us all.
A robot!
He's in there, V. I hear him. You gotta go.
You go?
I think he's behind the door. Hear him?
He's coming.
Okay, I'm with you.
I can cut your ears. That look nice, robot.
Here's your tools. Here's your tools while he's down.
Rinse.
Wrench, wrench, wrench. What else can we do to make him
Bang,
nice?
bang, bang.
Do you think he needs any spanking? Is he all fixed now? Well, let's power him up and see. I'm gonna go press the button. I hope he's nice now. He's a hugbot again.